Welcome to Blockchain Explained for Beginners. In this video, we'll unravel the mysteries of blockchain technology in a simple and easy to understand way. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of what blockchain is, how it works, and why it's so important. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a digital ledger, like a book of records, but it's stored electronically. Imagine it as a chain of blocks, where each block contains a list of transactions. These blocks are connected one after the other, forming a chain, hence the name, blockchain. How does it work? Now, let's dive into how blockchain works. Each block in the chain stores a batch of transactions. These transactions could be anything from cryptocurrency transfers to record keeping in various industries. When a new transaction occurs, it gets verified by a network of computers, often referred to as nodes. These nodes check if the transaction is valid and then add it to a block. Once a block is full, it's sealed, time-stamped, and linked to the previous block using complex cryptographic algorithms. This linking is what ensures the security and integrity of the blockchain. As new transactions happen, more blocks are added, forming a chronological, unchangeable record of all the transactions on the network. Why is it important? Now, let's talk about why blockchain is such a game changer. 1. Security. Blockchain is incredibly secure. Once a transaction is recorded, it's extremely difficult to alter or delete. This makes it ideal for secure financial transactions and data management. 2. Transparency. Blockchain is transparent. Every transaction is visible to anyone on the network. While it's secure, it's also open, which helps in reducing fraud and errors. 3. Decentralization. Unlike traditional systems where a single entity has control, blockchain is decentralized. It's maintained by a network of nodes all over the world. This means no one entity has absolute control, making it resistant to censorship and single points of failure. Blockchain isn't limited to cryptocurrencies. It has applications in various industries like finance, healthcare, supply chain management, and more, where transparency, security, and trust are crucial. In summary, blockchain is a revolutionary technology that's changing the way we manage data and conduct transactions. It's secure, transparent, and decentralized, making it a vital part of our digital future. Thank you for watching Blockchain Explained for Beginners. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative content. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.